let's get started. So, a little corn thing for us. I forgot to put some copper into some of these places. A little bit more of the artwork and everything. Green LEDs, yellows, and greens on the sides, right? So again, if you look at the yellow, it has a 20 milliamp on it, and 2 is the forward voltage. Some fun dancing going on right now. You can tell this is an old game show because people are playing Monopoly instead of Settlers of Catan. Okay, see it's on. Flip it back around. Not very bright. Wonder if there's any like Halloween parks where you just have like driving through cornfields. Look at all those pictures of corn. Amazing corn. Where we have some of the lighting occurring. Now let's flip them around for the other one. Good time to get caught up on all your movies when you solder. Especially around Halloween. Oop, there we go. So that one is where it is coming back towards me. So it's like backlit stuff. Here is the one. Oop. Where it's facing out. I think the problem is the solder mask on the bottom side. Adios, guys. Bye.